my name is Varsha. How are you? I hope you are doing good. I have a question for you. Which fruit do you like the most? Mention it in the comment section down below. Do you want to know which is my favorite fruit? Okay. If I tell the answer directly to you, it won't be much fun. So let me give you some hints and you guess it. It will be available in the winters. It is red in color. And while the fruits have the seeds inside, it has the seeds outside. Did you guess it? Yeah, it is correct. It is nothing but strawberry. Today, let's make a strawberry milkshake. Let's start. Let's taste the strawberries to check whether they are sweet or sour. If the strawberries are sour, let's add more sugar. If the strawberries are sweet, let's add less sugar. These strawberries are sweet enough. For preparing the strawberry milkshake, we need strawberries, washed and chopped strawberries, 3 to 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, sugar according to your taste buds, milk, and for garnishing, we need vanilla wafers and 2 pieces of strawberries. Let's take a mixie jar. Add strawberries. Add sugar according to your taste. Let's add 3 to 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Let's add just half of the milk now. Let's grind this into a smooth paste and then add the remaining milk. Let's add the remaining milk and grind it again. Here is my favorite and yummy strawberry milkshake. Let's pour it into the serving glasses. Let's garnish it. Here is our yummy strawberry milkshake. I can't wait more to drink it. Let me taste it and tell how it is. It is very tasty. It is very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.